Hello, my lovely people. My house is a mess. My face is a mess. I'm in pajamas. But I'm gonna start working on my bouquet. This was the rough draft from many months ago. And now I have more flowers. I got mine from Lings Moments. It was a Facebook ad and I decided to give it a try. They had I think it was 40% off if you spent X amount of money, so I spent about $200 worth. And then I got them and I loved them. So it's like a foam, but it looks nice. It's not as fakey as you would think. I love it. And then it comes just in a little whatchamacallit. I wanted to show you what I got. I'm pretty sure I have more of these somewhere, but I don't know where. So my bridesmaids, a couple of them might not get one in their bouquet. But I got the gumdrop eucalyptus, some lavender, I forget what this one is, some orange wildflowers that are all plasticky but not bad, some purple and white wildflowers, some blueberry guys, some ivory roses, some cream mini roses, some dusty purple, some other kind of eucalyptus, some lilacs, some peonies, more eucalyptus of a different type. I forget, chrysanthemums? I don't know, I'm terrible. Some lilies, and some more taupey ones. Then at Michael's, I decided to bling it up. So we got some of these multicolored blings. I wouldn't say hollow, but iridescent sort of, and then some pearls. Again, this is my bouquet rough draft from the first order, and then I've ordered a lot more, like that's not in there, those aren't in there. So I'm going to do that. Here is my first attempt at making the bouquet. Used a wine bottle. Definitely didn't work how I thought, so in the next clip you'll see what I actually did, so let's not even finish this one because it's a waste of time. As you can see here, I took smaller groups of flowers and taped them together. Once I get all my little groups of flowers together, I'm going to do a giant tape job with all of them. Look at that, this blonde girl figured it out. And here are all my little groups of flowers, some with danglies, some with pearlies and shit. Did a lot of different kinds, some that are similar, some that are different. My wedding is basically gonna be a big mismatch mess. So now for the fun part, putting it all together. And here we have it, folks, the almost finished part. Woo! All we have to do is lace up the stem and we're done. Thank you for putting up with my messy house and my messy face and my awesome dinosaur PJs. Remember to like and subscribe. Some videos will just be me doing art projects because I had to do this anyways. Some will be video games. Some will be utter ridiculousness. See you later. Bye.